Okay, here in number 14 you're finding what the radius of the smaller circle is. Now the shaded area is half of a circle, semicircle. They're telling you that the radius of the larger circle is 8, and you're trying to find the radius of the smaller circle. So I'm representing that as x. So just to get the whole black donut, if it was a whole circle, I would take the area of the big circle, subtract the area of the smaller circle. So the bigger circle, pi r squared, right, is pi times 8 squared. That's 64 pi. I would go ahead and subtract the area of the smaller circle, which is pi, and we don't know what the r is. That's x squared. And we know that is going to be equal to 24 pi. Now because it's a semicircle, we actually need to go ahead and do what to the whole circle? Formula is divided in half. If the whole circle was shaded, then I wouldn't have to divide in half, but since it's just a semicircle of the top part there, I need to divide in half. Okay, so now how do we solve this equation for x? Alright, well if I put that over 1 on the right hand side, I could cross multiply. So I have 64 pi minus pi x squared to equal 48 pi. Still trying to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 64 pi on both sides. So negative pi x squared comes down to equal 48 minus the 64 is 16 pi. Negative 16 pi. Then I'm going to divide by the negative pi. So what could cancel here is the pi's, the negatives. So what am I left with? I'm left with x squared equals 16. So what is the radius of the smaller circle? 4. There's the answer for number 14.